Dieting is the practice of eating food in a regulated and supervised fashion to decrease, maintain, or increase body weight. In other words, it is conscious control or restriction of the diet. A restricted diet is often used by those who are overweight or obese, sometimes in combination with physical exercise, to reduce body weight. Some people follow a diet to gain weight, usually in the form of muscle. Diets can also be used to maintain a stable body weight and improve health. In particular, diets can be designed to prevent or treat diabetes. Diets to promote weight loss can be categorized as low-fat, low-carbohydrate, low-calorie, very low-calorie, and more recently flexible dieting. A meta-analysis of 6 randomized controlled trials found no difference between low-calorie, low-carbohydrate, and low-fat diets, with a 2-4 kilogram weight loss over 12-18 months in all studies. At 2 years, all calorie-reduced diet types cause equal weight loss irrespective of the macronutrients emphasized. In general, the most effective diet is any which reduces calorie consumption. A study published in American Psychologist found that short-term dieting involving severe restriction of calorie intake does not lead to sustained improvements in weight and health for the majority of individuals. Other studies have found that the average individual maintains some weight loss after dieting. Weight loss by dieting, while a benefit to those classified as unhealthy, may slightly increase the mortality rate for individuals who are otherwise healthy. The first popular diet was Banting, named after William Banting. In his 1863 pamphlet, Letter on Corpulence, addressed to the public, he outlined the details of a particular low-carbohydrate, low-calorie diet that had led to his own dramatic weight loss.